Hello friends, today I'm gonna discuss with you a problem of code forces round 671 division 2 problem 8 digit game. So what we have given in this problem is we have t test cases and we have two player, let we call them as player 1 and a player 2. So basically the player 1 only take the element which were at odd position, and similarly the player 2 can only take the element which were at even position, and the player 1 will win if the last unvisited element will be odd, and similarly the player 2 will win if the last unvisited element would be even. So let's consider an example. So let's say we have some elements. So let's say we have an string whose length is odd. So we know that the string length is odd, so definitely the last unvisited element would be at the odd position. Basically the last unvisited element would be on the odd positions, because let's say they started taking element. Basically the first element taken by will be this, then similarly that second pair take this element. Basically we know that odd position were one greater than that of even position, then the similar definitely the last element would be at odd position. And similarly when n is equal to even, the last element would be definitely at even position, because the first turn is of the player who is taking the odd position, and he will gonna make his all turn, and the last turn would be at the even position. So let's say I'm a player 1, and we have an odd, and is equal to odd. Basically the length of the string is odd. So what would be my strategy is, I look for any position, any odd position where we have an odd element. Let's say we have this position, let's say we have this position fifth position, and we have an odd element here as 1. So what I'm gonna do right at that moment, rather than taking this element, basically visiting this element, I'll visit all the other elements, because I know that last turn is mine. So basically I'm not take this element, and I'll take all the other element, and definitely this element will left, and last turn was mine. So last element would be 1, and I'm definitely gonna win this case. Similarly, let's say n is even, and n is even, then let's say at this time I'm a player 2, and I know that last one will be mine. So what I would search on the even position will be an even element. So whenever I find a even element on even positions, rather than taking that particular element, I will take all other elements at even position. I know that I won't take this element, and at last this element would be the case of win for me. So let's see the code what I had done. So basically what I'm doing, I'm taking the length of the string. Here I'm taking the string. Let's say this is the case of even. When the length of the string is even, I'm finding an even element on those even positions. So whenever I'll able to find even element, then I'll be good to in that scenario the second pair wins, and otherwise the first pair will win. And similarly if n is odd, then I'll search all the odd position, and whenever I find the odd element, the first player will win, and similarly the second player will win otherwise. So I'll put the link to the code in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you.